G'day everyone, I thought I'd give you a quick update on my Ranger Raptor. Ford just sent me through some pictures of literally my car being built, going down the production line. It is seriously cool. So I ordered a Conquer Grey Ranger Raptor. I also got the beadlock rims, or the beadlock capable rims as well, so you can see all of that sort of on the screen right now. That means my Raptor is almost about to get to Australia. So it is being put onto a boat on the 2nd of September. The boat is called the Hercules, and it'll make its way from Thailand all the way down to Maric Ford, who is basically going to be getting my car pre-delivered and getting it ready. So what I wanted to do in this video is just give you a quick update on my car, but also give you an update on our review of the Ford Ranger Raptor. While you will see a written review on our website very shortly, our video review is still going to be a little while away, and that is because Ford can't get us a car anytime soon, which is a little bit disappointing, but when we do finally get our hands on a Ranger Raptor, we will get that live on the YouTube channel. And in the interim, if you do have any questions about it, let me know in the comments section below and I will answer whatever I can. And of course, we've shot a stack of other videos too on the Ranger Raptor, the Everest. There are links to all of those in the description below. So when my car finally does arrive in Australia, we're actually going to film the pre-delivery process to show you what happens from this car going from the factory, being put on a boat, arriving in the country and then arriving to the dealership, because when you pay a dealer delivery fee, they actually have to do a whole bunch of stuff to the car to get it ready. So I want to give you as much detail as we can in that process, and then I'll also film the handover of the car to me as well, and then we're going to go on a long road trip because Port Macquarie, where the car is a long way from my house in Melbourne. So it'll be interesting to see how that goes, but it should be a fun road trip nevertheless. Now, please make sure you have subscribed to our channel and also press the bell icon, which is going to tell you every single time we do more videos on the Ranger Raptor. And like I said before, the rest of the videos that we're shot are in the description below. So make sure you check those out if you haven't seen them yet. And if you do have any questions, down there in the comments section below. But until next time, take it easy.